What's up YouTube? Today on Road Blast Media we're doing the 49cc Time Trial Cup, the Backyard Blast, and the challengers is me, Vinny, and my dad here, Andrew.
Today, when we normally get time off work, we race these beasts. But today, we're going to race these ones. This is what we normally ride every day to work. We're sick of the traffic, so we leave the utes at work and we ride these. TNT motor must mean dynamite.
Oh yeah, so that's what's going to be happening. Little time trial race. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be racing up the top of the drive here. It's going to be 2 laps, down the bottom of the driveway, up to the top by the road, back down, up again twice. Whoever gets the fastest time wins the glory of the 50cc Showdown gang. Okay, so this is just a bit of a dummy run just to show you the track. We're going to be following the old mate down. So we start from here on this line and then we carry through to the bottom. So we'll follow it. These things are overly powerful, you know, they got so much horsepower behind them. 4.7 horsepower, 50cc. So we go around the pothole, hit it wide, back down the driveway, hook a little skid, final blast up the straight, around the cone, and then back to the starting point. 2 laps of that, fastest time wins. Okay, so I'm up first. I'm going to set the first time and we'll go from there, eh? So get this party started. Alright, so we're going to start up the beastly little 50cc. Listen to that purr. Alright, we're up to the line, waiting for the countdown. Oh, it's getting dodgy. Cut it in. Let's go, full speed. Front brakes on. That's what I'm talking about. Sure, that's a good time. Okay, so the official time for that was 1 minute, 9 seconds and 86 milliseconds. Let's see if the old boy can beat that. Alright, so he's up next.
God, this is dodgy.
Okay.
You know, I do weigh 40 kilos more than Vinny. He's not actually nothing around that pothole there. Shit. lucky I've got some safety gear on. Bloody gravel driveway's a bit dodgy. Try and go balls out down here now without killing myself. Shit. Oh shit. Ah well. Time for weigh-in.
Okay, so his time was 1 minute 12 and 53 seconds. But we've kind of had a little idea here that my power to weight ratio might be a little bit better than his, as he weighs a cool 40 kilos heavier than me. So what we're doing is, what we have here is some bricks, and that's weighing in at about 35 there. So we're going to even the playing field a little bit, and we're going to load the black Roma with some bricks, even this shit out. Let's go. Okay, so we're loading up the bricks. We've got 3 in there. Then we're going to strap 2 more here. Don't try this at home. And we've also got a 5-litre bottle of bleach in there, probably around 5 kilos. So this should be a bit more even. Let's see what happens. Who's the better driver? Getting the old duct tape on there. Most universal tool in the world, I tell you. Super safe.
That's got it, mate.
Yeah, that's solid and strapped down. So I'm just going to do a quick test run and then we'll be back. Alright, so I'm up first again with the super heavy 50cc scooter. It makes a very noticeable difference in the weight and the acceleration of this thing, so this should be a more fair race. Alright, so let's go. Let's ready up, safety first. Always wear a helmet when you're doing dumb shit. Okay. Whoa, that is fucking noticeable. Holy shit. Brakes are much less effective. There's acceleration uphill for sure. Let's go, okay. Whoa, we're wobbling, we're wobbling. Almost came up there. Holy shit. Wow, we're much more wobbly. Much more out of control. Okay. We've got to beat this time. Let's go. Set a good time. Through the inside. Oh, maximum rest. Boosting. Hey. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so the timekeepers are holding my time from me, so we'll have to wait until after this to figure it out. Okay, so this is the final showdown. Let's see how this goes. Challenger, you're up.
Okay. On the 2.9 kilowatt Roma. This is fucking dangerous. Shit. I'll take the inner of it. A little bit jittery on that one. That's done. Okay. Well, yo,
All right.
that was wicked.
All right. So the results have been clocked in. I came in at 1 minute 10:47, and Andy came in at 1 minute 11:79. So the young boy's the better racer, eh? That's what I'm talking about. What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Well, this moped is 4 years old.
Oh yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Done more Ks.
Okay, fair.
And this one here has done less than 2,000.
All right. Okay, so
Only
fresher
2.
motor, but equal weight. You guys be the judge. Remember to like and subscribe. This is Road Blast Media with Vinny and Andy. Hey.